Have you ever made a mistake on a YouTube video, or maybe the information's changed and you wish you could go back and let people know? YouTube's correction feature helps you do just that. Here's this feature in action. I recently made a video about YouTube's research tab, which recently, YouTube changed its name to the inspiration tab. Everything but the name is pretty much the same, so I remembered hearing about this corrections feature and went searching. I was able to find it and tweeted about it, and friend of the channel Doug Hewson saw it and reminded us in his live stream that this feature actually came out 2 years ago.
Today, Andrew Can dropped a tweet about a feature that I vaguely remember them announcing 2 years ago. It was June 2022, and we promptly all forgot about it. Until Andrew Can brings it up today and says, I figured it out.
Thank you so much, Doug, for the kind words, and I'd love to see your take on this feature too. YouTube corrections work on both desktop and mobile devices and pops up like a YouTube card. And when you click on it, it will show the correction. Now, YouTube corrections isn't going to go back and replace or edit the video itself, but YouTube corrections help call out any changes that previously the only way we could do was via the pinned comment and comment replies. Here's how to set up YouTube corrections on your videos. Just head over to YouTube Studio, whether you're on a desktop or the YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone. Then make your way to the channel content page and find the video you want to add corrections to. For me, it's going to be my super thanks or viewer applause as it was known at the time I made this video. I'm going to go ahead and hover over this pencil and make my way to the video's details page. From here, this is where you're going to see where we are going to make changes. Now, this is not in the normal cards page, even though it shows up as a card. You actually need to make corrections under your chapters if you have any. If you don't have chapters, you can just add them, but of course, highly recommend adding YouTube chapters. Here, you're going to either type in correction if it is a single correction, or corrections if it is multiple corrections. For this video, I have multiple corrections. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and watch this video. You can do that in your own time, but I've already gone ahead and copy and pasted the corrections I want to make. Now, once you have entered in your corrections like so, make sure you don't have any cards that are already in place of where these corrections are or chapters. Once everything's okay, go ahead and save your video. Keep in mind it might take about 5 to 10 minutes for this to update on the video side, but once it does, it'll look like this. Once you're on your video that has the corrections, you're going to notice it in the info card as I mentioned before. Once it pops, you just click on View Corrections, and it's going to show all of your corrections on the right hand side here. You can hop around to each individual correction. You'll also see what it says. They're also viewable in the description down below. And speaking of the description, I'll have the YouTube support article on any questions you might have about YouTube corrections. If you want to learn more about maybe YouTube chapters or how YouTube works, check out those videos on screen. I'm Andrew Can, and if I can go back and correct my old videos, then you can too.